we're just now walking into Universal Studios.
Yeah, welcome to Universal Studios.
Oh wow, it's packed. Well, for Corona. And we're gonna go ride Transformers and all the rides here. Except for the Simpsons ride. That ride makes us sick. So.
And the Minions and the Jimmy Fallon. Are we riding the Jimmy Fallon down?
No.
We're not riding the Minions.
I said we're not.
Rainy days, the best days to go to the parks.
So.
Hi.
My sister and my dad are doing the Rip Rocket, and I'm too scared to do it, so I'm gonna be sitting out this one. I gave my dad the GoPro, so we'll see the footage. Alright, we are now going Transformers. Unfortunately, they would not allow them to have their the GoPro on the ride, so I'm gonna wear it on this ride. So see y'all there.
That would be Autobot evac. You need to scramble evac immediately, General. To evac the Autobot. Now hold on there, Stallworth. You're out of line. My orders are to protect the Allspark and secure and fortified location here at this. With all due respect, you call this secure and fortified? Now, it's crumbling, General. Your troops have failed their mission. Roger, your frontline appraisal, Stallworth. But removing the Allspark from this is a high
Take
risk.
the Allspark to safety. Optimus out.
That's it. We're mission go. So you can either thank or blame me later, but right now you need to listen to the lady with the robotic voice.
Heroes fight. Your war is with me.
We just got off the ride. It was 40, so what do you call it? So we were really dizzy and you could barely see what we were doing, but I still got the footage for y'all. We are back in Diagon Alley, about to head to the train. We're now entering the train station again. I'll get back to y'all when we get there. We just arrived to Hogsmeade, and we have another hour until we can ride, so we're gonna go down to Jurassic Park, and we're gonna get some food at this place, and it's actually really good, so I'll see y'all there. Alright, we're about to walk into the Jurassic area. We just finished eating. Now we're gonna go wait for the ride.
Don't worry, reparo. Sorry, never was great shakes at magic. Oh, you found my missing screws. Best be getting you out of here before you get blasted. Now, hit those purple buttons.
As y'all saw in that clip, that ride is crazy. I put in a clip for y'all to see what I was on, but wow, I think we went like 60 miles per hour, fastest roller coaster I've ever been on. Now we're going to Skull Island, the region of calm. I'll record a little bit in there if I can.
This cannot be good.
We just got off that ride. It's more cool than fun because it's kind of a slower ride. But yeah, I think we might be going back to the hotel or doing one more ride. I will let y'all know. We stopped at the arcade, but I'm not playing anything. I just wanted to go by it and look at it. Thing's sick. Meanwhile, Reese is about to ride this. And I said, heck no, because I hate drops and height. So Reese should be doing this here in a second. This is it for today at Islands of Adventure and Universal Studios. I will get back to y'all if we do something at the hotel. We're now heading downstairs to go get some food. And yeah, I'll record whatever happens, but I'm not sure if anything will happen. So I will pick up the camera again. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. I'm going to Volcano Bay tomorrow, and yeah, peace.